So you might be wondering around all the different types of things that AI can do, and artificial intelligence is obviously coming a long way in the past few years, but something that's really quite interesting is to see that artificial intelligence is actually helping us to solve some problems such as copyrights and royalties and those sorts of things when using marketing photos. And what we've got here is a website which is generated.photos. You can see in the address bar here. And this particular website, you can sign up and you can generate different photos using models. But these models that you're looking at here on the screen, they're actually not real people. These are all artificially intelligence generated models. So this is a pretty cool thing here that this website or this service is trying to promote, and definitely solves a lot of issues when you look at many websites that have models and you go to another website and you see the same stock image being used in multiple places. So it's a pretty interesting thing that we've got here, that you can actually sign up to a service and generate photos that look so real, and yet these aren't real people at all. But what I'm going to do today is just have a look at one of the tools that this website has, and that's the anonymizer function. And this anonymizer tool is really just used to demonstrate the capabilities of the system, but by no means would you really need to use this. But if we go ahead and click on anonymizer here, and then what you can do is upload a photo of yourself, and it will generate a similar photo to your real photo that you can put on social media, so that you can protect your identity. And for some people, this might be an interesting thing to start now, because you never know what complexities might come in a few years' time, when already we're seeing today Facebook can recognize you in photos that other people post and then alert you. Who knows, what interesting things might come in the future. So I'm just going to have a play with it, and I don't really expect anything to come out of it, but just a little bit of curiosity here to see what my face would look like if it was artificially generated. So I'm going to go and click on upload photo now. And I've got a photo here that I've prepared before, and this is a photo that I used for a visa application a few years ago. And we'll just see what it spits out. Wow, this is really interesting. So I wasn't expecting this. Clearly, what it's done is it's taken my face and then generated lots of different variations of what it thinks could represent my face. So let's have a look at a few more here. But I don't know, maybe some of these will be what I look like in the future. I think maybe this first one here is sort of a little bit close to me, maybe. But this is just outstanding. The fact that all of these photos here that it's generated, which clearly look like real people, actually aren't real people at all. Just astonishing. So what this service intends to do is that you can just download these pictures here and put them on your social media, but it is actually really, really scary if you consider catfishing and other things like that's happening on the internet, that a service like this could generate so many different variations of real people and potentially create fake profiles. And it's just unbelievable how many different pictures this tool is generating based off that one photo of me. Just incredible. So as you can see, like this tool's amazing. Clearly, the team behind this have done something really powerful here. And as a marketer, I can see this is going to solve a lot of problems, particularly with using stock images. I know there's some other tools in here where you can generate, whole scenes of people doing different things. So, there might be some people out there who are looking at this and going, wow, this could really solve some of my marketing problems. If you're looking for a particular type of person or a demographic, then it's really easy to just create people, based upon different attributes. Maybe you specifically want someone with green eyes, or maybe that option's not available, but let's have a look. There's so many different assets here that are just artificially created. So a really, really cool insight into the future and what the world might look like. There's been a lot of people out there modeling for stock images on places like Shutterstock and things like that. This potentially changes that. And now, they've got heaps of different examples of where this could apply, the gaming industry, or even medical research, or absolutely HR and training videos. There's lots of training videos out there, in corporations that use models. So this could absolutely help that, and also help solve some diversity problems that those businesses have too. So I know as a designer, I'm often putting, mock icons into prototypes, and this would absolutely help me with creating prototypes that have profile pictures of fake people. So really interesting to have a look at this today, and I hope you all find something useful come out of this.